This demo shows how you can find phone numbers from LinkedIn profile URLs using LinkFinder AI. You'll see how to use free credits to enrich contact data efficiently. First, go to the description of this video and click on the first link to be redirected to the LinkFinder AI website. You will be redirected to the LinkFinder AI website, where you can start your free trial. Click on Start Free Trial to create a free account and begin using the service. Once you've created your free account, you'll be granted credits that you can use to find phone numbers from LinkedIn profiles for free. Set the input data type to LinkedIn profile URL to specify the kind of data you will provide. Choose LinkedIn profile URL as the input data type for your lookup. Next, select the output data type as phone number to get the contact information you need. Confirm that the output type is set to phone number for accurate results. Click the field to enter the LinkedIn profile URL of the lead you want to find the phone number for. Fill in an example LinkedIn profile URL such as https://www.linkedin.com/in/splajohnson to start the lookup. Click Enrich Data to begin scraping and finding the phone number associated with the LinkedIn profile URL. Once the process completes, you will see the profile data found, including the phone number linked to the LinkedIn profile. If you want to perform multiple lookups, click Upload CSV to process a list of LinkedIn profile URLs in bulk. Click Select File to choose the CSV file containing the LinkedIn profile URLs you want to enrich. Click Process 3 items to start enriching phone numbers for each lead in your CSV file. After processing, review the results showing phone numbers found for each LinkedIn profile URL in your list. You can export the enriched data as a CSV file for your records or further use. Navigate to the API Access section to explore programmatic ways to use LinkFinder AI's data enrichment. Click View API Docs to see detailed instructions on how to integrate with LinkFinder AI's API. Choose the B2B Data Lookup API to find phone numbers from LinkedIn profiles programmatically. Select the Post LinkedIn Profile to Phone API endpoint, which finds a person's phone number from their LinkedIn profile URL using 1 credit. Review the example curl command showing how to call the API with your authorization key and LinkedIn profile URL input. This demo showed how to find phone numbers from LinkedIn profile URLs using LinkFinder AI's free credits and bulk CSV upload. You can also access API documentation to integrate this functionality programmatically. Start your free trial today to enrich your sales leads efficiently.